So let's go on further. You have to know some symptoms or syndromes, laboratory syndromes that may happen in liver diseases. First syndrome is a syndrome of cells damage. So any disease like alcoholic disease, viral infection, especially hepatitis A, B, and C, they damage the cell of the liver. So let's pretend that it's a cell with a nucleus, mitochondria, and other intracellular organs. As you already know, it's a branch of arteria hepatica. It's a branch of vena porta. So the blood flow goes from those vessels through the cell right to the branch that will be collected into the vena cava inferior. This border of the cell is connected with the bile duct, a small bile duct that will be collected into the common bile duct and will go to the duodenum. So any cell has inside it has different enzymes. Most common for the liver, ALT and AST. The most important is ALT. It is good to remember L, liver. Those enzymes live here. ALT, AST. They need for a proper work of the cell. Near the wall and in the wall that is connected to the bile tract, two enzymes are located, ALP and GGT. ALP and GGT. So, if the cell is damaged by inflammation, autoimmune, viral, toxic inflammation, it gets damage. Damage means holes in the wall. So if those holes happen, enzymes can go away out of the cell. First of all, AST and ALT. That's why during the damaging of the cells of the liver, the concentration of ALT in the blood will be higher. The concentration of AST will be higher. If the concentration of ALT to concentration of AST is more than 3, it means that the patient has a damage of the liver. If it is not, patient may have a damage of another organ. So it's common when the elevation of ALT is much more than elevation of AST, it means a patient has a damage of the liver. So if you take a blood test and see the elevation of ALT and AST, you may say that patient has a problem with the damage of cells of liver. But if there is a stone, for example, in a bile tract that increases the pressure in a bile system, it will lead to a damage of the wall that is connected to the bile system. That's why enzymes that are located here, especially only here, will go to the blood circulation. So if you take a blood test and find out that concentration of GGP and ALP are rising, it means that the damage of the liver happens due to the pathological process that happened in the bile tract. It's very specific. So, two main markers, ALT and AST, says, the elevation says that a cell is damaged. Elevation of ALP and GGT says that the cell is damaged due to the problem of the bile system, or especially this one, due to alcoholic intoxication. But if both markers are increased, it means that the liver is damaged. It is the syndrome that calls the cellular damage syndrome. You may find out it by taking the blood test.